Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are going to show you how to track your FedEx package online in real time, so you always know exactly where your delivery is. To get started, locate your FedEx tracking number. You can find this in your shipping confirmation email or printed directly on your shipping receipt. Once you have that number ready, open your web browser and head over to fedex.com. Alternatively, you can launch the official FedEx mobile app on your smartphone. Right on the homepage, you will see a prominent tracking section. If you are using the mobile app, you might need to tap the menu icon in the top corner to open the track option. Enter your complete tracking number into the provided field and hit track. The screen will immediately update to show your package's current status, its last scan location, and the estimated delivery date. If you want the most detailed real-time updates and live map tracking, sign into your account and enable the FedEx Delivery Manager feature. This will give you exact delivery windows and let you set up automatic text or email notifications. That is all there is to it. If this quick guide helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tech tutorials. See you in the next video.